Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Master Your English. So it's our second video on the topic sentence and its kinds. So as you know, we have covered word and its kinds in previous video. I think it was 3 minutes video. So I would like to recommend you all guys first watch that video as you can understand the concept of word which is going to be used in our today's topic. So without wasting more time, let's get it started. Let's get it started from a definition of sentence. So a sentence is a group of words having complete sense, or we can say that having complete meaning. This is called sentence. For example, she writes a letter. If I ask you that is it a sentence, then you will definitely say it is a sentence. So why is a sentence? Because there is group of words and there is also complete meaning. Uh, that's why we say that it's a sentence. If I take another example, a letter writes she. If I say, is it a sentence? Then definitely you say that it's not a sentence. Why it's not a sentence? Because there is group of words, but there is no complete meaning. Then we can say that it's not a sentence. After the definition of sentence, let's move on kinds of sentence. So basically, we are going to discuss here four kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence. So these are the four kinds of sentence. Let's discuss here one by one. First kind of sentence, that's assertive sentence. So what's assertive sentence? Assertive sentence used to give information, or we can say that is used to give a statement. Now move on. Categories of assertive sentence. So basically, there are two categories of assertive sentence. So first, affirmative sentence, affirmative assertive sentence. What we call it? Affirmative assertive sentence. Second, negative assertive sentence. Let me tell you structure of affirmative sentence and negative sentence. So first, affirmative sentence. So structure of affirmative sentence, that's subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object is actually a structure of affirmative assertive sentence. Now next type, that is negative assertive sentence. So its structure is subject plus helping verb plus not plus main verb plus object. Now take an example. For example, if I say I am a teacher. I am a teacher. It's a affirmative sentence, and we also call the affirmative sentence as positive sentence. And next example, that's I am not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. It's actually a negative sentence. If I ask you that this sentence follow the structure, if I say this actually I am a teacher, it is a affirmative sentence. If I say I, so first there is required subject. Is there subject? Yes, is there subject? I is a subject, am is a verb, and a teacher is a object. Okay, so we can say that there is requirement is complete. So this is affirmative sentence. If I ask you another question, that am is uh, here am is helping verb or main verb, definitely you say that am is helping verb, not here am is main verb. When there is only one verb in any sentence, then we consider it that it's a main verb. If I say that if I say that if I take any another example, if I say that um, I am going to I am going to school. If I say here am is a we now we can say that here am is a helping verb, and going is a main verb. Helping verb plus main verb combinedly we call is a verb. These are verb here. Now another sentence, that's I'm not a teacher. Here am also a main verb structure. Second sentence, that I am not a teacher, is also follow the structure of negative sentence. Now, second kind of sentence, that's interrogative sentence. So, what's interrogative sentence? It's a kind of sentence which is used to ask any question. For example, if I say, who are you? What are you? So these are the uh, interrogative sentences. Okay, and we also discuss here types of interrogative sentence. So basically, uh, there are two types of interrogative sentence known as direct interrogative sentence and indirect interrogative sentence. So first kind of interrogative sentence, that's direct interrogative sentence. So what's direct interrogative sentence? It's kind of interrogative sentence which is used to ask a question as direct. So it's called direct interrogative sentence. For example, what's your name? Who are you? What are you? So these are the direct interrogative sentence. And next type of interrogative sentence, that's indirect interrogative sentence. So what's indirect interrogative sentence? So it's kind of interrogative sentence which is used to ask a question as indirectly. For example, uh, if I say that I want to know what your name is, what your name is. If I say that uh, I want to know what your name is, and if we take another example, for example, if I say I want to know who are you, it's it's wrong. If I say that I want to know who are you, it's wrong sentence. Instead of that, we have to say that I want to know who you are. So it's a correct sentence. Now, third kind of sentence, that's imperative sentence. So what's imperative sentence? Let's discuss here. Imperative sentence. It's kind of sentence which is used to express order, advice, and request. For examples, let's discuss here three examples of order, advice, and request. Otherwise, if I say stop talking right now, it's order. Eat healthy to stay strong, it's advice. Please lend your books, it's a request. Move on, fourth kind of sentence, that's exclamatory sentence. So what's exclamatory sentence? Let's discuss here. So what's exclamatory sentence? It's a type of sentence which is used to express strong feelings, emotions, and reactions. For examples, what a joke, what a scene, what a movie. So these are the exclamatory sentence. If I say, hooray, I got selected for the job. So it was all about today's lecture. We will meet you in coming video. Until that, keep learning. Thank you.